Hi, everyone. This is Debbie Smith, Cover Alabama Campaign Director at Alabama Arise. I'm sharing this week's legislative update with news from both the state and federal levels. Earlier this week, Cover Alabama and the American Cancer Society Cancer Action Network partnered to bring together almost 100 people from across the state of Alabama to push for Medicaid expansion and defend the program from harmful cuts. We heard powerful stories from people who lost their Medicaid coverage and fell into the coverage gap. Their experiences made it clear expanding Medicaid isn't just about covering more people, it's about strengthening the program so no one is left without care. But at the federal level, there's a major threat. On Tuesday night, the House Republicans passed a budget resolution that could lead to over $1 trillion in cuts to Medicaid and SNAP benefits over the next decade, all while extending tax cuts passed during President Trump's first term. Alabama Rise and over 100 partner organizations across the state sent a letter to lawmakers urging them to reject this budget resolution, warning that it would devastate healthcare and food assistance programs. Medicaid is the largest source of federal funding in Alabama's budget, with more than 1 million Alabamians enrolled, over half of them children. Cutting Medicaid would put pregnant women, kids, and nursing home residents at risk, while also threatening our rural hospitals. And it's not just healthcare. SNAP, the program that helps people put food on the table, is also in danger. Nearly 400,000 households in Alabama rely on food assistance, including over 330,000 children. Alabama Arise and our partners made it clear slashing these programs will only increase hunger and hardship in a state where 1 in 4 children already experience food insecurity. But we've stopped harmful cuts to these life-saving programs before, and we can do it again. Let's keep up the pressure. Email Congress today and tell them no cuts to Medicaid by visiting coveralabama.org/save Medicaid. There is some good news at the state level. In Alabama, the Senate Finance and Taxation General Fund Committee just voted unanimously to advance SB 199, a bill that would provide paid parental leave to state employees, including K through 12 public school teachers. This legislation, sponsored by State Senator Vivian Davis Figures, ensures that state workers have the time they need to care for their families and children after childbirth, adoption, or miscarriage. Policies like this don't just support workers, they strengthen families and communities. Let's continue advocating for policies that protect our health and our families. Together, we are making a difference.